So that was the way in. Hopped on down. Now we're about to trek through the tunnels, connecting each building. Look at these old fuses. It's the old reset button. Doesn't work anymore. The fuses are still here. It's a door up there. Here's our first crossroad. We have to remember where we went. Yeah. Or else we'll get really lost in these things. Oh, here we go. Here's the way up. Oh, I should have put my foot. Yeah, it should be. And we back. Oh, look at this. Right here.
Yeah, this is one option to get to the top.
So this place is very, very hard to get into, as you can see. Had to go through the tunnels, but it really did pay off because all this natural decay and these paint chips coming off. I mean, look at that pipe up there. Just the way the rust comes through the paint. It's just so cool to me. I don't know why. But no, look, no graffiti. This place is, fingers crossed. Be careful. Yeah, look at these toilets.
Ooh, secret bathroom.
Bathroom in the stairwell?
Dude, that's why they boarded that bathroom up.
Look at that, the pipes. Oh, that's so cool. So guys, there's a little window in the stairwell. Here's the second floor. I don't see very much. I'm gonna keep heading up. Another bathroom. Yo. Oh, that's unsettling. Yep. So this floor was boarded up. Oh, there's significantly more stuff on this level. So as we go higher, I think there'll be more and more stuff.
Yeah, that's pretty wow.
It's like a big generator or something. Guys, I've known about this factory for years. And I never got into it, and this is just such a great feeling. Oh, the paint chips, all the natural decay. It's gorgeous. Holy cow.
What are you?
I'm speechless, man. What is all this stuff? Looks like all the stuff up here they just packed in. Those look like some sort of old, like 90s style computer, early 2000s. Well, the thing is, this place went abandoned in the 80s. Here's some of the textile stuff that they used to manufacture here. Keyboards. and all sorts of stuff. There's ice right here. I'm really nervous about. Elevator's up there. See it? Wow. Alright guys, in the comments you might need to help me out here. There's a bunch of these old little ribbons like rolled up. And check it out, they have like holes. Oh, those are letters. But these aren't letters, so that's some sort of code that people use. I don't know. That's really weird. Look at that. Huh. Yeah, I don't know what that is. That's some sort of radio. It says times 1, times 10, times 100, times 1,000. Yo, did that deliver electroshock or something?
Electroshock therapy.
Yeah.
Multiply.
This room, guys, this is crazy. All the red over the windows. I don't even know what that is. Oh, the elevator's right there. Set up. It's really sketchy up here. Look at all the lights, they look like worms. Guys, this is really weird. I don't know if they fell off the ceiling or if they were taken off the ceiling. They look like little worms. Weird, dude. I just thought this natural light in here was gorgeous. The way it fills the room. Doesn't come across too well on the camera, but the orange lights on the ceiling are really neat too. I think those are lights of some sort. Maybe this is the office area or workshop. That's neat. Oh, that's right over the elevator shaft. Giant cables and pulleys to pull it up. We just realized there's holes in the ground here, so we gotta be extra careful. Just the ceiling too is coming in.
Look at these holes.
Alright guys, right now we're all the way at the top floor. And, well, I think we're one floor under the top floor. But there's still books on the shelf over there. And there's a hallway. And there's about 2 inches of ice across everything in here. And then this big conference looking room. Or banquet hall looking room. I don't know, it's huge. Not sure what it was used for. But it's really big. Now this place went abandoned in the 80s. I'm willing to bet that these books are from the 80s. Motorola.
Roof almost. I think
Motorola fast static RAM data.
Anything?
Data book supplement.
Oh, so nerd stuff.
Yep. Bunch of old computer booklets before the internet. They had to read it all in here.
Oh, it's one of those things?
The colors in this place, again, I'm mentioning it, but orange, yellow, blue, tan, baby blue. Oh my. This looks like it used to be an office in here. We got some orange and yellow. Yellow over green right there. Now we got black, like dark black on that one. More yellow, more orange. Got like a greenish white down there, and then a blue. This place is crazy. That's a big icicle. Alright, so we're gonna head to the other building real quick.
Yep.
Alright, my lens is a little dirty, but this is what we have to do. All the way down because the water's pretty damn deep here. So we gotta shimmy along these pipes. God, this sucks. Alright guys, so that was one of the most difficult things I've ever done. I don't think I videoed any of it, but we had to shimmy for, how far was that?
50 yards.
That was like 50 yards through these tunnels, more than that.
Football field to the factory.
Yeah, and we had to put 1 foot on there and 1 foot on those pipes and shimmy, and the roof was like this high, so we were, oh my gosh, I'm so sore from it. Oh, but there's some cool stuff here. And the reason we did that is because there was all water. It was like a foot deep at the deepest, like 1.5 feet. But now we're inside of the heart of the factory, where it looks like they have a lot of the boilers and the big machines.
Ooh, bit of that.
Love this. If you guys don't know, industry is my favorite kind of bando. And this tickles my fancy.
Alright.
Check this place out, guys. I don't know what this is, but this looks like a workbench. Glasses are still hung up. Safety goggles. Old work boot. What is that? Operator must wear safety goggles. I don't know. Check out the little office down there. It's like a little office in the center of all this.
The footage is too good.
I would not walk on the middle. It's not gonna feel good. I can see it flexing.
Really?
Yeah.
It's tight. That's what I'm relying on the call. Oh yeah, and this is the rule I have for anyone filming my death. If you film my death, you have to post it.
Okay. I'll put it on Live Leak. We made it. Well guys, if you like what you saw, drop a like, consider subbing. Got a lot more places like this coming. I'm gonna put Max Power's link in the description to his YouTube channel. And yeah, this place is really, really cool. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and peace out. See you on the next one.